Hi everyone, I just want to explain you how to connect water line to your fridge. So I just went to Home Depot and bought connectors and the couplings that you need. Um, Here's the packages. What you need to buy is coupling quarter, which is this right here. I already connect one right here. It's very simple connection. Also, you will need to buy a adapter, which is right here, which is this package right here, and that adapter is 3/8 by 3/8 and a quarter. So how it's gonna work is very simple. You're gonna disconnect your water supply line that comes to the top in the kitchen, and this female connection will go to the male where you're gonna disconnect it. This will go to your top, which is in the kitchen, and this will go to your water in the fridge. That's about it. It's very simple.